Welcome, in front of me is a Samsung Galaxy A70, and today I'll show you how to add a fingerprint to the device. So to get started, you want to open up Settings, and from Settings scroll down and you should find Biometrics and Security right here. Tap on it, and at the top you will find face recognition and fingerprint. So you want to tap on the fingerprint, and if you have some kind of passcode already set, you will need to confirm it. So let me do that. And if you don't have it, you will actually be prompted to set up a new one, because you can't have just the fingerprint alone. You will have to have additional ways of unlocking the device, so you can choose between PIN, pattern, or password. Now, as you've already seen, I have pattern set. So let's just tap on continue now, and we can now start scanning our finger. So you basically start scanning it right here where you have the icon, and you want to get a good read of your thumb all around. So just kind of get it from like every angle, as though you basically randomly be pressing it normally to unlock it. Okay, continue. And there we go. And now it's done. Now you can also add another one if you wish, so you could add additional fingers or other hand if you wish. But I'm just gonna tap on done. And now you have the fingerprint. So that's basically the fingerprint we have added, and you can also rename it if you wish, so you are aware of which finger it is later on if you have multiple. But I'm just gonna keep it as it is. So if I lock the device now, I have two ways of unlocking it, either through the pattern or the fingerprint, like so. And both of them work. Now the difference is, I think fingerprint doesn't actually need to, you don't need to turn on the device, so you can just slap it on here, as long as you remember where it is exactly, and it should register and unlock it automatically. But that is how you set it up. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.